Hey everyone, warm welcome to Skill Union Trade Channel. My name is Mekti. Today is 2nd of November and we start talking about cryptocurrency market. What happened last month, last week, what is going to happen within the next month or next few weeks. Let's see how it goes. Yet I would like to remind you that anything we do or say on our channel should not be considered as a financial advice, and in case you need one, please get a consultant to help you out. Do not also forget about our Telegram group that you can subscribe to. It's right down below. Click on it. Do not forget about us. We'll remind you about all the changes in the crypto market that are happening and how you can make trades profitable. And as usual, we start with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Well, October was a real October. The price went up 10.5%, almost reaching the all-time highs, which we've seen this week, last week, and it was crazy month. We actually made it above the channel, the downtrend channel that we had since the beginning of the year. This is crazy. This is good for Bitcoin, and everybody's expecting it to reach the targets which we talked about in our previous videos, which is about 85, 100,000, 110,000, 120,000. Crazy targets. Everybody's talking about how Bitcoin is being cryptocurrency number one and should be an asset number one instead of gold, instead of the treasuries of the United States. Plus, we have the election this week coming up, so it's going to be a very volatile time, especially that we did not reach the all-time highs that we had, almost like 0.25, 24%, different exchanges, different prices, but it was very close to the all-time highs. We didn't make it. Actually, the price is reversing right now, and it looks very scary because people are afraid that it's not going to make it right now. I mean, they're starting to feel those thoughts. They already made like a huge investment in the move upward, but unfortunately the price is still not going up. So you can see the price, although it's above the channel, although it's trying to make the all-time highs, it actually didn't do it, although it broke all the levels except the all-time highs of the resistance. So if we see the picture now, we would like to see the price to retest that channel that we broke out from since 2024, basically since the beginning of the year. In that scenario, we can definitely see the price go down as low as $60,000, maybe even 65 would be enough. But let's hope it makes it down to 62,000. We can make more purchases, more buys, so when the price goes up, we make more profits. If you also remember, I talked about the wick that we had when the price went below 50k, reaching 49k on Binance, for example. It was a bit scary and was not a very good thing to see, because some of the traders, the bear traders, are seeing the patterns that the price will actually reverse and go much lower than it was. So basically reaching to the targets of $35,000 or $40,000. So far so good. The marginal traders which are trading it, they should not be worried, because there's a lot of possibilities for them to buy in that position and actually form a better position in Bitcoin that they had. For the bears, the situation is much worse. We could see that the price went above 70,178, the price which we told for the bears to have their stop losses at, because if the price reaches those levels, there's a high probability it will squeeze up. What it actually did this week, it squeezed up, took out all the stop losses, made the price go up, but did not break the all-time highs. Not forget about that. So for the bears, the situation right now is you cannot trade it. You cannot like go for the bearish scenario. But in case you're a risky guy, you can always have your stop loss above the all-time high. Just give some money for the bulls in case the price goes up, and actually trade it short, expecting for the price to go lower, maybe even lower than 50k. But again, that's a very risky trade because the trend is still our friend and the trend is still up. For the long traders, if you would like to have a trade on futures, and you'll have to have a leverage trade which can be used like a 10x, you can start buying at 61, 58 or 54,000, having your stop loss below the 52,800. That can be a 10x leverage trade. In case you're trading it even strong and you feel that the trend is still strong, you can have your stop loss below the 55,600 with the 14x, meaning like 14x leverage, and buy in at 63, 60 and 57,000 as you see it in our screens. Also, if you're a super risky person, you can have a 20x leverage trade, buy it at 66, 64, 500, and 62,000, having your stop loss below the 61,000 level, but that's a very risky one. Unless you see that one, which is a super risky trade, you already may start buying it at 69,400, buying some more at 68 or even more at 67, having your stop loss below the 66. I really think the 50x leverage trade, this one, is going to be super risky. I would not risk my life on it. But in case you're a risky person and you like to drink champagne each day, that would be the trade you would do. So again, that's just the targets for the movement of the price up. So if you're still expecting for the Bitcoin to break the all-time highs, those would be the levels for the leverage traders to move in, for the futures traders to move in and to buy it at. Regarding Ethereum, Ethereum is still feeling bad. You could see that it's forming like a triangle shaped pattern and is trying to break above or below either side. When it does that, we can say that there is a pure movement, like it will have a retest and the price will continue going either up in case it breaks above and retests it. So we'll see that 2800, the 3000 level and 3300 level as well. Otherwise, we might break below, retest it again from the upper side, like 2500 again, and go as low as 2100 or $2,000. The best scenario, of course, in this situation is reaching the targets of 1600 levels of the price for Ethereum. Regarding the Ethereum to Bitcoin, which we're thinking would be going down as it does, it is actually reaching those targets. I think we're going as low as 0.033, 0.031. So there's not much changes here. The price continues to go lower and lower each week. Might see those prices at December, preferably maybe end of November. The faster it reaches that price, the higher the probability it will jump from it. So again, if you're looking forward to buy Ethereum to Bitcoin, 0.033, 0.031 would be the levels you'll be looking at. If again we look at the dominance, we can definitely see the altcoins having not the best season of their life. The altcoins dominance is very low. It's like about 40% right now, meaning that Bitcoin dominance is reaching a 60% level. As we talked about this, that 60% might be the percentage rate where we might see the reversal of the Bitcoin dominance. And as the Bitcoin dominance is going down, more money is inflown from Bitcoin or from the other sides to the markets of altcoins. So far, it has not happened yet, but I'll be very cautious right now, looking out for the altcoins which are stable on the market and still have an opportunity to make like 2, 3, 5, 10x profits, of course. So again, the 60%, in case it doesn't hold and dominance continues to grow, we still have that 62% level of dominance, which would most probably be the reversal sign, meaning 38% dominance of the altcoins is the point when you have to get some of them up and eventually the price will go up. Now let's talk about altcoins and what is happening in that part of the market, the altcoins which have a market cap of over that $10 billion mark. And the first one is BNB. Unfortunately, it broke the trend, and we can see that although we try to get back in, the 600 level is still a very hard resistance for BNB. Most probably we will see BNB going as low again as $535, $480, $468 or $430 for one coin, but I would actually prefer it to go as low as $350, $340. That would be a very good point to buy BNB in your portfolio. So far, the resistance levels are still the same, $600, $650, and $675. So in case you're a bear and you're pushing the price down and you wish for BNB to go down, those are the levels you should be shorting at. Regarding Solana, Solana is actually making it very good moves. Like you can definitely see it's playing right now between the levels of $160 and $175. You can see how the price went up, went down again, 160, retested it as a support, and now it went up again and it's going down again to retest it maybe one more time, unless the market maker decides that it's still a good time to go up and will break 175, break above the last high it made this week, and reach up to $198 level for Solana. Again, Solana is working fine. There's a lot of work on the project. A lot of people are working on it. A lot of products have been published. Plus, as you know, one of the biggest exchanges, decentralized exchanges, is made on Solana. So unless there is some problems with decentralized exchanges made on Solana, everything will be okay with the price of the token. Regarding XRP, sideways movement, slowly down, nothing much happening. So we can see it reached the 48 cents level. We can see a huge movements of the wallets of the XRP right now. Plus SEC is fighting with XRP and Ripple Company for that token. They went to the courts again to fight them, but unless the situation will change in American government and American politics regarding the cryptocurrency markets, we actually might see the price go back up again and make this 48% move up in price from 46 cents to 68 and make a good profit in XRP. Yet for the last few months it's been trading sideways, so nothing much is happening there. Regarding the Dogecoin, thank you Elon Musk. Again, one of the candidates is very much close to Elon Musk, and Elon actually is pushing the price for Doge up, and we can definitely see that you should have considered the 16 cents level for just closing a part of your position. And again, the price is moving in the range between 15 and 70 cents. Those are the price ranges we talked about before, that if the price reaches those levels, it might just move in sideways from 15 to 17 cents for some time. Maybe again it will keep on pushing up thanks to Elon Musk and reach the 25 cents or higher. So we'll see the higher targets for Dogecoin in future, but so far sideways move for Dogecoin is a good thing to trade at. In case the price goes lower, 14 cents, 12 cents and 11 cents are the support levels, which you see 10 cents is like a very crucial level to keep a hold of. Regarding Tron, TRX coin is still pushing up. Justin Sun, please sell some because we need to see the commissions go down. But again, the target is 18 cents, which was the high of the bull run of 2021. It's still moving, grinding its way up. So let's hope everything will be fine with Tron, yet we want to see the lower commissions. And maybe even what we heard from Justin Sun the last time, that he'll cancel all the commissions for USDT transfers on Tron blockchain. That would be great, or lower them down, like significantly lower. It's about $4 right now, $2 to $4 depending on which wallet you're using, but most probably everything is going to be fine, and they're going to think about something just to solve the situation with the movement of USDT on Tron blockchain, TRC20. So the next one is TON, and TON is actually lower than its support levels, the range of 556 to 512, and as it retested at the 512 level, you can see that the reversal, there was a pin bar reversing the price down. There is most probably higher probability it will break the 460 support level it made in September and reach to $4.14 support level. Even lower to $3 would be the best thing to see for Toncoin. Again, there's not much buyers right now, although the blockchain itself, the usage, the amount of people, the wallets is increasing significantly fast, and the time that it takes for the blockchain to be implemented, the usage of the blockchain is like significantly higher than anything we've seen before in the crypto space. So TON is going to be number one eventually, but first we need to see the capitulation of the market makers, of the big token holders, so everybody could be rich, not only them. Regarding Cardano, there's not much changes in the blockchain. It is trying to keep afloat, stay inside this trend line which we've seen before, but unfortunately you can definitely see the weakness in the market. You can see the markets is pushing the price down low as 31 cents or even maybe lower. So again, I really want to know if you're interested in the project. So in case you are, please do not forget to leave the comment that I really want to know what is going to happen to Cardano once it goes to below 31 cents, because I think the market cap will go lower than $10 billion for Cardano. Regarding Shiba Inu, as it is a dog, same as Dogecoin, same thing happening here. The project is accumulating right now. So what I'm doing right now on my portfolio, I'm just trying to accumulate some of the Dogecoins and Shibas. So if the price will actually go up, I can make some profits. I'm not trading spots, I'm trading futures, and I'm trying to accumulate a good price for Shiba Inu and for Dogecoin. So when the price goes up, I can make good profits, but I'm not putting much into it because I really hate those meme coins, Dogecoins and Shibas. They're not making any sense. But in case you see a possibility to accumulate some, so you can actually do it, and you can, why not? Like, come on, it's money. And what you can see right now is that it's accumulating between the ranges of 19,000 to 15,000. Slowly the highs are higher and the lows are higher, meaning that it actually eventually might push up and might be a possibility for the price of Shiba Inu reaching like 25,800 level. But we'll see about that. In case it goes lower than 14,000, bad game, good game or bad game, whatever you say, that's a loss. That happens sometimes in trading as well for everybody. So be careful. It's not a thing to put all your money in, but that's the thing to play with. And the avalanche would be the last one. We could definitely see it broke the trend line, it's retested it, and now it's going lower, so we might see $21.55 as a support level, or we might actually see $23.14. We have our alarm clock set on $23. In case the price reaches that, we're going to see whether there are any volumes coming in. Maybe we can trade it and we'll share that in our channel. But in case it does not, and it will go lower as low as $21.55 or even lower than that, there might be a possibility Avalanche will eventually get out from the list of $10 billion plus. So we'll see about that. We'll see how it goes. And the last part of our video is the altcoins that are bullish to BTC. If they're bullish to BTC, meaning they're bullish to USDT as well. We talked about Solana and Tron already, so there are 3 left as the price of Bitcoin is reaching the all-time highs. Not many altcoins are actually stronger than Bitcoin so far, and number 1 is Super. Super is actually holding well above the $1.12 level, and that's a very good sign. I mean, you can retest it again, and maybe you can buy some of it. Maybe we'll try to reach the targets of $1.66, $1.82, but the closest support levels is $1.12, $1.02. There's a huge possibility that the trend will continue and it will actually break the March highs of 2024 and reach the levels of 166, 182. But in case it does not, like, you know where to buy it, like, easy. Regarding people, meme coin as well, and it's not making it a very good sign. Like this week you could have traded it, buying it at 7 cents and selling it at 7.6, but eventually the price is going back down again, and I really would like to see it go down to 4 cents, 4.20, maybe even lower to 3 cents, which would be the best price to buy that people coin, to sell it again at 4.20. But again, unless it breaks this support level, there is not like 100% probability it will actually do so, because we still have the resistance levels at like 8 cents and the 10 cents level, which is a resistance level number 1. Plus it's a round number. Like, come on, wouldn't you sell it at 10 cents in case you bought it at like at 4? That's a 60% profit. I would think you would have sold it like easily. Regarding the last one is MantraDAO, OM, and OM right now have corrected due to the Bitcoin going down or going up. It corrected to the first level of support, which is $1.24. It might go, as I sold my position, I'm still waiting for the price of MantraDAO of OM to reach as low as maybe dollar level, which would be a round number, which would be a very good support. Again, 1.09, 1.0042, which is about $1. It's a good support level, so you could start buying it at. But in case I missed out an opportunity and it actually might go up and break the 162 level, well, I missed the opportunity, yet I made a good profits on it. I'm not worrying too much. But again, if you're looking forward to get into MantraDAO, look out for the levels of 124, $1.81, and the best case scenario where you actually can buy easily, less like risk than anything, is 60 cents, 62 or 56 cents levels. This would be the possibility, the chance where you can buy and actually sell it at a dollar level, making almost 50% profit, like 40% profit on that trade. That would be all, folks, for today. There's not much cryptocurrency to discuss, plus I'm on vacation. I really hope to see you next week. Bye.